Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's quote offers a gentle reminder about how we end our days and how we honor the journey we're on. It invites us into a simple practice that can transform how we feel about our progress through life. The day feels complete when you honor what you accomplished. How often do we reach the end of a day focused only on what we didn't finish, what we missed, or what fell short of our expectations? We carry an invisible scorecard, marking ourselves down for every unchecked box, every unfinished task, every moment we think we could have done better. But this quote invites us into a different relationship with our daily experience. To honor what we accomplished isn't about inflating our ego or pretending everything was perfect. It's about recognizing the sacred act of acknowledgement when we pause to truly see what we did, the conversation we handled with care, the problem we solved, the kindness we offered, the small step we took forward. We complete an energetic circle. We give our efforts the quiet recognition they deserve. This practice transforms our relationship with time. Instead of days feeling like endless streams of incompletion, they begin to feel like whole experiences. Each day becomes a story with a beginning, a middle, and a meaningful end. We start to see progress in small moments, growth in quiet choices, and success in simply showing up with intention. Morning intention. Set an intention to notice 3 things you accomplished today, no matter how small they may seem. During the day, when you complete any task or interaction, pause for a moment and acknowledge it with a quiet, "I did that." Evening reflection. Before sleep, name 3 specific things you accomplished today and let yourself feel the satisfaction of honoring your effort. Here's a simple tool to carry with you, the completion ritual. Each evening, write down 3 accomplishments from your day, 1 practical, 1 relational, and 1 personal. Allow yourself to feel genuinely proud of each one. 2 related quotes to ponder. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. And every small step forward is still a step in the right direction. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.